Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to the tortoise exhibit. Do you know the difference between turtle and tortoise? Unlike turtles, which spend most of their lives in water, tortoises spend their entire life on land and cannot swim. Just like the plants here, California desert tortoises use a number of strategies to save water and adapt to hot, dry climate. Look at their shells, skin, limbs, and behavior. What do you notice? Is there anything that reminds you of trees? Tortoises are ectothermic, which means they get their body heat from the sun instead of making it themselves. They love to bask or warm up in the sunshine, and they're most active early in the morning and late in the day. They use their strong front legs to dig burrows underground where it is nice and cool when the weather gets hot. Tortoises are the busiest after it rains, but they rest or sleep for much more of the year to save water. Thank you so much for visiting the tortoise exhibit. We appreciate you keeping our tortoises stress-free and safe.